cook a very special dish from Coorg, which is called Baemble curry. Baemble curry is a speciality of Coorg, and though the food of Coorg is known for its non-veg specialities, but it does have good vegetarian food as well, and Baemble curry is one of that. Baemble is nothing but bamboo shoot. Again, a product that is eaten in very, very rare places, and especially in South India, Coorg is one place where Baemble curry is a speciality dish. This particular product is not something that you can eat right out of the tree. It needs a bit of processing to make it safe for eating. So I would suggest for anyone who wants to cook at home, please buy the tinned or canned ones because they are already processed unless you know how to process it. We will finally finish the dish with the seasoning, and then we will put one final ingredient, or I would call it the magic ingredient, which is called kachampuli. Kachampuli is a souring agent. It adds the sourness to the dish. It also adds another taste aspect to the dish, which is called astringent taste. So we'll finish the Baemble curry with a little sprinkle of chopped coriander leaves. Baemble curry is something that is traditionally eaten either with rice. It can also be had with kadam buttu, which is the rice dumpling, and it also can be eaten with akki oti, which is the roti made with rice. My personal favorite, akki oti.